Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create a dashboard in Jira. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Jira, and then you're going to see dashboards here, and you want to create a dashboard. Now I get the name here of the dashboard. It's going to be YouTube channel number 3, right? Description, whatever. And access, you can have it by project, by group, by organization. Okay, now we gotta see it. YouTube channel was successfully created, and I now can simply add simple gadgets here and everything. So yeah, this is how we can create a dashboard. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.